In this video, we're going to take a look at the new AdWords Conversion Tracking with Google Tag Manager that has recently been updated. All and more coming up. Hey there and welcome back to another video of MeasureSchool.com, teaching you the tools, tech and tactics of today's digital marketing world. Now, if you have been following along with our AdWords Conversion Tracking series here, you might have noticed that the codes were recently updated and don't look at all like the previous version of these conversion tracking codes. Now, this is all due to an update to the Safari browser that actually changes the way cookies are stored on the device of an iPhone, for example, or Safari browser on the desktop. So Google came up with a change that actually will affect the codes that you implement on your site. Now, if you want to find out more about the details of this change, then check out this blog post by Search Engine Land. I'm going to link that up in the description as well. Now, if you go back to what we have set up last time, that was in the measurement conversion section, you find here your purchase pixel or your purchase code, and this is our conversion tracking. And here we can see the new updated codes. This actually prompts you to install a global site tag on all pages and then extra an event tag that will tell Google AdWords a specific action that has been taken. So in essence, our conversion tracking tag. Now, everything that we have installed previously here in our AdWords account, is that now all invalid? No, it's actually still working and you don't have to change anything here. So you can go back to the other tutorials and set this up just like before. You just need to know that the conversion ID right here is something you would find in your event tag down here as well. This is this number right here before the actual slash. You could find it also in the global site tag. This here is also the conversion ID that you just have to copy. Don't copy the AW dash here, just the number. This is your conversion ID. And then the conversion label would be something that you would find in this longer string where we have here a slash, and after that you would find your conversion label. So you can set that up like we did before with our conversion tracking as well. The only other thing that I would recommend to install is a new tag called the conversion linker. You can find that in your tag types right here. And this should be deployed on all pages and helps with the identification when somebody comes from an AdWords ad and then connecting that back to the actual conversion. So this should be now installed on all pages extra to your AdWords conversion tracking tag. So if you have already AdWords conversion tracking set up, you don't have to change around your tracking at all. Just install this conversion linker tag as well and deploy it on all pages. What if you are completely new and don't have a AdWords conversion tracking tag set up? Well, you would go through exactly the same steps, give it a name, choose the tag type, and we will go with AdWords conversion tracking. There's actually no tag template for the global site tag in Google Tag Manager, so you can safely ignore that and you don't have to implement this into a custom HTML tag as well. Just use the AdWords conversion tracking right here, and then as the conversion ID, type in your conversion ID, the number that we have seen before, and your label that is behind the slash of your send to field. Now make sure you don't actually copy with us the quote here and the comma. So just this little part is the actual conversion label. You implement this here, and then you can set up your data layer, your variables like we did in the last video. We have here our DLV total, we have our order ID, and the currency code was hard coded. And you don't have to touch these conversion linking. These are all already set up by default to true. Choose your trigger. We have set that up as well in the video, and save this. So this is how you install a new conversion tag if you want to start from the basics. Afterwards, you would also need to set up your conversion linker tag. Again, this is just a tag. When we go here to new, give it a name and put it in as conversion linker here, and then deploy it on all pages. So that's the setup. I won't save this for now. And I'm also going to get rid of our second tag, so we don't want to fire our tags twice. And in the end, don't forget to preview this all. Go back to your site, see that the preview and debug mode opens. Then go through a conversion. And see that your conversion tracking is firing, and you can also look this up in the Tag Assistant if there are any errors right here. I expect AdWords to update their help documents pretty soon, and also this interface, so we'll be able to get our conversion ID easily and also our conversion label, and maybe also update the extension so we'll know if our tags fired correctly. But this is essentially how you set up the conversion tracking in this new version of the AdWords Conversion Pixel. Don't forget at the end to submit this and create a version and publish this to all your users so it's actually live on your website. And this is how you install the new AdWords Conversion Tracking via Google Tag Manager. Alright, so did you like this video? Then don't hesitate, give us a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then you can go over to the next video over there, or subscribe to our channel right over there, because we will bring you new videos just like this one every week. Now my name is Julian, see you in the next one.